After sleeping in -6 during a winter storm in Evergreen, Colorado, the forecast shifted to sunny and warm, so we headed to a new spot in the mountains where we could soak up the sunshine. Welcome back to Living Large Camping, everybody. We have another great night of snow camping here. We have a little bit of sun before a snowstorm tomorrow, so we're gonna enjoy some time at camp.
There is a wind advisory. Yesterday there was about 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts, and today I think it's a little bit less, but pretty crazy.
We're gonna have a good day at camp.
We are dispersed camping down Redskin Creek Road. We're gonna walk up the road a little bit to warm up and just kind of check out the area. So we just walked to, I guess, the front where they have parking, and they also have, I believe they look like pit toilets. I'll give you a little review of that in just a second. They also have some trailheads over here, which is pretty nice. So it's a gorgeous day. We're gonna enjoy the walk back, and I think we're gonna start a fire at camp. As promised, here we go. Very impressed for a dispersed camping to have a bathroom like this. I know it's for the hiking trails, but it's still pretty nice to be open during the winter time. There are air fresheners inside of it, 2 of them, so it actually smells very clean. It looks pretty clean for a pit toilet. There's toilet paper, and there's even paper towels. Maybe a pit toilet category needs to be formed, but I'd probably give this one 9.5 out of 10. Very clean, very nice. Let me know what you guys think and what you'd review this one.
So if you follow Redskin Creek Road down a little ways, it looks like you're gonna hit a couple established campgrounds, but along this road here, there are many dispersed sites, and we're kind of right at the start. Either way, it's a pretty cool area. Made it back to camp, and it is pretty windy today. It was really windy last night, and it's supposed to be windy tonight. And one thing that we found that's super helpful is to make sure you park when no trees are touching the camper. Because the wind blows, you're gonna hear it anyway, and the added branches slapping on the camper just makes for a very unpleasant night's sleep. At least for me.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this?
Connor is outside making a fire to enjoy for today, and while he's doing that, I'm going to make us some tuna fish sandwiches. We put a little mayo, lemon pepper, and we've got pepper jack to put in it, and these little gluten-free pita bread that we're gonna put inside.
But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should.
Here you go.
This
Yours is on the
great.
bottom.
That-
Mine's this little
Is that
guy.
me? Oh, you stuffed it in there. Oh.
Yummy.
Happy lunch.
Happy fire. Looks amazing.
This is honestly an ideal winter camping day. We've got sun, we've got snow on the ground, the fire's staying warm and it's burning great, and we're just really, really happy to be here.
Perfect day.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car.
Have these for later. Time to cool them off. The wind is starting to pick up, so we're gonna move our chairs into the sun and then we'll have a fire later with a cocktail. Catching up on some editing for the video that's gonna be posted here tomorrow. Amelia's reading her book.
Woo! It's good so far.
It's just a great afternoon here.
Don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
That's a big boy. What would we do with all that space?
There are endless awesome dispersed camping sites around Colorado, but right now we are prioritizing spots that are relatively close to the road and ones that we have service at, because snowstorms are coming like crazy right now. We're supposed to get another 7 inches of snow tomorrow, and just in case something happens or we get stuck, we want to make sure that A, we can find somebody to help us, and B, that we can watch the weather and just stay up to date with everybody.
Understand that we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
It's getting a little cold outside because the wind's picked up a bit and we're getting a little snacky. So we're gonna eat our olive salami and cheese mix that we got at the grocery store. We've gotten it a couple times before and we're absolutely obsessed with it. Plus, this whole tub is only $2. We just read a little bit inside. Connor did some editing for the next video that'll be coming out. It's about 4:30 and the sun's gonna be dropping pretty soon, so we're gonna go back outside, enjoy another fire and a beer. Cheers to a great day. Perfect weather for snow camping.
sun is setting and clouds are rolling in, so the temperature is dropping pretty quick, but that's all right because it's time for us to go cook a very yummy meal in the camper. Shall we?
Let's do it.
Well, now it's time to start cooking dinner. We are really excited for this meal. My mom sent it to us 2 days ago, and it's all we've been thinking about. So we picked up the groceries yesterday, and now it's time to get it cooked.
The recipe tonight is a mango avocado salsa with coconut jasmine rice and grilled salmon on top. We are so excited to make this, and I think it's going to turn out delicious.
First step is to get all of the stuff with the salsa chopped up, and then we get to snack on it while we make the salmon.
Masterpiece.
Well, this turned out far better than expected. Not bad for only having 2 burners, so it means anybody can cook this meal. Thank you, Mom, for the recipe. We're going to enjoy this now. The mango's a really good touch with the salmon. I like it.
How's the coconut rice?
The rice is great.
Really good.
Obviously, I did not like mine at all.
Almost finished, and this meal is probably one of the top 10 meals that we've made. Really recommend if you guys are interested, like salmon. It's a really good recipe.
That was a great way to end such a perfect day snow camping. But we're exhausted, we're full, and we are ready to go lay in bed. Probably watch a movie before we fall asleep. But we will pick you guys back up in the morning. Hopefully a pretty sunrise. We'll have some coffee. We'll see you then. Perfect snow camping day with sunshine and warm weather has quickly come to an end. See you, Mark. time to go ahead and pack up the camper. It's about 8 degrees outside and dropping and the snow is falling, so we're gonna head to our next spot.
Oh, the snow calmed down a bit. It's a good time to pack up the car and the camper because the snow has calmed down a little bit. Just looking at that, you can see how much snow we got last night. We didn't think it was gonna snow until this morning, but with weather, you never know. Let's go warm those hands up.
Let's do it.
Goodbye, beautiful spot. Our things froze to the ground. Ooh, God.
Watch out.
Well, that's gonna do it for us this video. We hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us on a perfect snow camping day. It was blue skies, we got to have a fire, and it was 50 degrees, which is crazy for February, but we absolutely loved it. And today it is different weather, and it's crazy how Colorado can change so quickly.
If you're still here at the end of this video, we would love it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have tons of adventures left for this year, and we cannot wait to share all of those with you. We are headed to a new location today, and there's supposed to be 6 or 7 inches of snow, so we're gonna get there before the snow, hopefully, even though it's kind of started falling already. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, have a large day.
Thanks for watching, guys.